In a major development from the 2026 TTAADC election results, the TIPRA Motha Party has secured a critical victory in the 20 Killa Bagma constituency. Candidate Purna Chandra Jamatia has officially won the seat, garnering a commanding total of 17,082 votes. This win further strengthens the party's majority in the council, reflecting a clear mandate from the electorate in the Gomati district. In a landslide victory for TIPRA Motha, the party has secured 24 out of 28 elected seats in the 2026 TTAADC elections, cementing its dominant position in the council. As part of this sweep, Purna Chandra Jamatia achieved a definitive win in the 20 Killa Bagma constituency, polling 17,082 votes. Jamatia defeated his closest rival from the BJP, who secured 8,908 votes, establishing a substantial victory margin. This outline underscores the electorate's overwhelming support for the TIPRA Motha platform across the travel areas of TIPRA.
Chini TIPRA Motha Party candidate no support khainai borno belai kya hambai te jara jeno bodo ya boro gণতন্ত্র no bisas khayu bodo nai ro borno bu hambai ya faru जों chini elakao santi ma tongnai kaham phurungkhe ma tongnai chini hamjang mani no जों teibu kusugo mati sanai jara जों bai miliwi tongnai borno bu belai kya hambai ya faru te chini worker kormi ro no bu hambai ya faru Chini Maharaj ni Ashirwad bai chung hai ni hai jonogon chung no poito sawi hai ni hai edisi to mani bagai jo to edisi am chani no belai kya hambai ya
sar bese bun mane to apply ka
8,900 ni kisa pai 8,900 ni abab bai chung apply ka 17,085
sar nang joy mani ya kolon nang sar bubak ron nang se sahar ka
tabung Maharaj bai kok sale pe account tar sikan Maharaj bai kok sale pe ka Maharaj no hambai ya
sar nang dur camping ko jeng lukrona jeng kok awai lai mar kok pi lai mar oi sorabot o kor no nang bomai khlai nai ta pasang ka ba
जों ताबो पार्टी नि एक्जिक्युटिव बाय कक सालायनाय एक्जिक्युटिव बाय कक सालाय जों बाहायके बुसनांगो रणनीति दिखायनाय बाहायके कक सालायनाय बाहायके लुक्रो बाय मांगायनाय मुसुं देशन नाजानाय
सर बसे राउंड जरा लेखा जागै कपलाइन का सर बसे जरा
साइते राउंड लेखा ताबो बाहायके सालायनाय दं मानसा आरो दि कपलाइन का लुक्रो मन हामबाया फरे जों बडो मानि बागै दै जों हामदन मानि बागै बिलाय के चिनि लुक्रो नो चिनि हामचनि स्पेशली बरमा हामबाया फरे
सर 1 to 4 जरा राउंड लेखा जागमनि आप काउंटिंग खाइ जप्रो नि मांग दे अब
tung jagao no majority chung mau tinta polling station no chung chekha duita o borabor ka baki 41 polling station no chung leading bapok margin bai chung leading khai
Following the formal declaration of results, Purna Chandra Jamatia, the victorious TIPRA Motha candidate for the Killa Bagma constituency, was greeted by jubilant assembly of party workers and supporters. The atmosphere was marked by enthusiastic celebrations, with the crowd chanting slogans in honor of Bubagra Pradesh Bikramanikan Barma to mark a successful mandate. Reported by Pravi from Udaipur, Chini, Khorang.